Welcome to Solidworks. In this lesson, we will show you how to make a bolt and nut, and also how to make simple animation. Let's start by creating a new document. Select a new document icon from the standard toolbar. Then select Part and OK. In the Feature Manager design tree, select Top Plane and open Sketch. Select Polygon and find the 0 point and make a drawing. Let's Smart Dimension it. Select this point, and type 18.6 millimeters. Accept. Go to Zoom to Fit and select OK. The drawing is not fully defined, so we need to add some relations. Select this point and hold Ctrl and select the 0 point and this point and add horizontal relation. OK. Now exit the sketch. Select Extrude Boss Base from the Command Manager. For the depth, type 7 millimeters and select OK. On this face, we need to open a new sketch. Select this face and select Sketch. Click on Normal to View and draw a circle. Add relation, tangent. OK. Click on Isometric View. Exit the sketch. Now go to Extrude Cut. Select Flip Side to cut and Draft On. Draft On, type 60 degrees and select OK. Now on this face we need to open a new sketch. Select this face and open Sketch. Normal to View and draw a circle. Smart Dimension and type 10 millimeters. Select Isometric View and exit the sketch. Now select Extrude Boss Base. Type 45 millimeters and select OK. Now we need to add some fillet on this edge. Select Fillet command and make fillet 1 millimeter. Select OK. Also on this edge we need to add some chamfer. Select chamfer, also 1 millimeter, 45 degrees and select this edge. Okay. Go to Isometric View. Now we will create a helix. So select this face and open Sketch. Select this edge and click on Convert Entities. Select OK. Now go to Surface tab and find Curves helix and spiral. Choose helix and defined by height and pitch. For parameters, select variable pitch. For region of parameters, select these values. Select reverse direction and start angle is 0, clockwise. Select OK. Now we have our helix. Select the right plane and open new sketch. Select Northern to view. Zoom in. Draw a line. Let's smart dimension it. 59 degrees. One point 7321. Enter. Select point. And now let's add relations. Select this point and helix. And select pierce relation. Select OK. Now we need to draw a center line. Select the point and click on this line. Okay, let's smart dimension that point. .513 millimeters. Select OK. Let's draw a circle coincident with this line. Make tangent relations. Select trim entities and trim these entities. Select yes. OK. Smart dimension. Dimension this. Now our sketch is fully defined. Exit the sketch and go to Features tab and select Swift Cut. Sketch file is for profile and for path is our helix. Select OK. And this is our thread. Let's save this part. Save as bolt and nut. Save it as bolt. Now we need to draw a nut. Select a new document, part, OK. Select the top plane and open the sketch. Click on Polygon tool, find 0 and draw a polygon. Smart dimension it. And add relations. Go to isometric view and exit the sketch. Extrude boss base. Type 8 millimeters. Select OK. Open new sketch on this face. Normal to view. And draw a circle. Add relations. Tangent. OK. Exit the sketch. Select extrude cut. Flip side to cut. And draft on 60 degrees. Select OK. Now we're going to do it the same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna do is make a hole. Select this face and sketch. Select circle, smart dimension 8.5 millimeters. Go to isometric view and exit the sketch. Click on extrude cut and for end condition select true all. Select OK. Now we need to add some chamfers. Select chamfer command. For distance, select 1 millimeter, 45 degrees. Select this edge, select OK. And our nut is almost complete. Now go to File, Save As, and type nut. Click Save. Now open a new window and open the bolt. Go to Insert menu and go to the part. Insert part. From part, select nut and choose open. Now we can see the nut. So, launch move dialog. If it's not selected, select it. OK. Then go to OK. Then shift the nut on -35 millimeters and select OK. Now we have assembly of a bolted nut, but not yet. We don't have a thread on nut, so we can click on More Tools and select Combine. Operation type, select Subtract. For main body, select Nut, and for body to subtract, select Bolt. OK. Now we have our thread. Go to File, Save As, and not 1. Save. Now we are going to make a little animation. Go to New and open Assembly. Go to Browse and select the bolt. Click Open. Left click. Then go to Insert Components and select Nut. And left click. We need to add some mates. Select mate, select concentric, select this face and this face. Select OK. Left click and hold left click and move it a little forward. OK. Then go to Mechanical Mates. Go to Screw. Select Distance per Revolution and select 2 millimeters. Now right click and hide. Select this face and go to the tree and select show. Then select this face. And also make it 2 millimeters. OK. OK again. And now we can see how it looks like. It looks pretty good. Now click on the Evaluate tab and select Interference Detection. Click on Calculate and we have some interference, so click on Ignore button. Select OK. Go to File and Save Assembly. Assembly 1. Save. Now go to Motion Study. Select right click on Orientation Camera Views and select Disable Playback of View Keys. Okay. Now select a motor icon and select for motor type, select a linear motor. For motor location, select this face. For component to move relative to, select the bolt. For motion, choose constant speed, and for constant speed, type 1 millimeter per second. Select OK. Now click on Calculate. We can change the duration of the animation, so we can do it on 10 seconds and then do Calculate again. You can change the speed or make it slower. Play. Directions. And that would be all. That will be all for this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.